Hey everybody, so I have my plan about how I'm going to pick the winner for this tortilla press. I made a video last week and I called it 200 subscriber plus giveaway. And so I asked for some suggestions about how to pick the winner and I didn't get any. So I'm going to pick the winner myself. So what I'm going to do is this week I'm going to get all the names of the subscribers, and I think there's 215 now, and I'm going to put them into a hat. And then a week from today at 8 p.m., I'm going to go live and pick the winner. So you have a couple days if you're not subscribed to try and win this. And this is just my way of saying thanks. I'm super grateful. I really didn't make the video to try and get a bunch of subscribers. I was just proud of the tortilla press and I just wanted to share it with some friends. So anyway, next week I'm picking a winner and I hope you're the lucky one. Good luck.